Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I will share my favorite recipe, a delicious and nutritious Thai quinoa salad. Let's get cooking. Let's quickly go through what we need for this tasty salad. We'll be using cooked quinoa, shredded carrots, purple cabbage, diced red bell peppers, protein-packed edamame beans, and fresh cilantro. For that delightful Thai twist, we'll add some peanuts for extra crunch. Now, let's whip up the mouth-watering Thai-inspired dressing. In a bowl, combine peanut butter, soy sauce, zesty lime juice, a touch of honey for sweetness, sesame oil, and some freshly grated ginger. Give it a good whisk for a flavorful dressing. Now it's time to bring everything together. In a large bowl, combine our cooked quinoa, shredded carrots, purple cabbage, diced red bell pepper, and those delightful beans. Now pour it all over the salad and gently toss everything together. To add that final burst of flavor and crunch, let's sprinkle some crushed peanuts and fresh cilantro on top. And there you have it, our delicious and healthy Thai quinoa salad. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes like this.